What's going on, guys? If you couldn't tell by this giant Injen box right here, I got some new Injen parts right here. I got the Injen EVOlution air intake, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I'm gonna try to do a little bit differently than how I did my coilovers. I'm gonna try to get the content just a little bit higher quality. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit edit with the box. Not sure how it's gonna come out, how it's gonna look, but we're gonna try it. Just a little like disclaimer thing. Disclaimer, if that's even the proper term. I got this from my sponsor at purejdm.live. Use code TTR-BRZ to get discounts on your guys' orders. They hooked me up with a really good deal on this, and I got the rain shield with it too, which it didn't come yet, but it's gonna be on its way. So make sure you guys check them out, show them some love. PureJDM18 is their Instagram tag. Tag everything down below, but just check them out, give them some love, buy your parts from them. That was very anticlimactic there. Oh, it opens up this way into more white box. Here we are, boys. Instructions. So out the box, we get some shit here. We got like hose clamps and stuff. Kind of clean the filter. The massive like intake part. The giant scoop, and then the actual intake system itself, and that's all that's in the box. So a lot of people, when I was deciding which intake to get, pretty much everyone voted on getting the EVOlution intake system against like a short ram. I was gonna get the Injen short ram, but I think a lot of people want to see this because there's not much videos that I've really seen on it. When searching online, I really haven't seen much Injen Evo intake stuff. Everyone does a short ram with their BRZs because they like the look of it. This kind of, it sits in there, and I guess it's designed to look like an OE part. But the thing is, this one claims to be able to make 15 horsepower, which I think seems like a shit ton for an intake, and the short ram is only 12. And I think this would be more of an interesting thing that people usually don't see. So that's why I decided to go with this one. This part was just shoved inside of like the intake. So that's our filter right here. Giant ass filter right here. Now the thing that kind of really like sucks with this whole thing is this requires you to rip off your bumper because it it scoops down in there, goes right in there. So you have to take off your entire bumper for it, and the temperature has been dropping like rapidly where I'm living. I live in Pennsylvania, and it's been like getting really cold. And the 2 days I have off, the one day's like in the 40s, which I mean, that's not cold, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to rain the entire day. The other day I'm off, it's supposed to be like 10 degrees. And like I did my coilovers in 20-degree weather, and the only thing is like I had a really hard time recording because my camera got too cold, and I went through 3 batteries within an hour at one point because it didn't want to record anymore because they were just too cold. So I gotta figure that part out. I don't have a garage, well I do, but it's like we use it for storage, and there's so much stuff in there that I won't be able to clean it out. So if I could somehow open up my garage a little bit just to get the front of my car in and then get a heater, that might work. So I do have a little heater in there, so we gotta figure that part out. This thing is like, it's really lightweight. I don't know why, I really like the Injen symbol on here. So I think it's a really, it's a really cool symbol, I think. And the Injen is written literally on everything on here, and I like how it looks. I kind of wish that there was a little bit more color in here instead of just an entire black intake system, but it's whatever. I guess I could do that myself if I really want to. Yeah, so this is probably a really boring like whole thing, but here's the rest of this is all your hose clamps, gaskets, and there comes with a little thing that goes on top to tell you when you should clean out your filter, which is actually kind of cool. As I said before, I do have the rain guard for it. I wasn't planning on getting the rain guard, but the thing was, I was reading things that like if you get a little bit of water in your engine, like you could really fuck it up, and I'm not trying to fuck up my engine. I didn't like put it together. I just kind of like laid it out. I just want to see. But man, this intake system is like ginormous. I'm excited because I heard I've never had an intake in my car. They supposedly make your car louder, sound better. And this thing's like all like super duper hollow all the way up in there. So I think that's gonna make the engine a little bit louder because now it has room to echo. It's interesting looking at this because this part right here, this few piece of plastic, you guys are probably not even looking at me, is supposed to give my car 15 horsepower, and that's definitely something you'll be able to feel. I'm definitely gonna make sure I do sound clips with it. I'm gonna have before, have and after. The review I'm gonna try my best on reviewing it. It's a little bit different reviewing an intake opposed to coilovers because it's more of it's an engine mod. It's not visual. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do my install video sometime this week if it's not too cold out, because I really hate waiting on parts because you order them, you wait, and I just want to put them in as soon as I get them. So I'm gonna try to do that this week, try to do my review on it, and I'll let you guys know if it's a good buy or not. I'm gonna ask a favor of you guys. Let me aim you down a little bit more. If you guys could, a lot of you guys are coming from my Instagram. If you guys could just ask some questions, you can comment them down below. I want to make another answering your guys' questions video. I want to just do a different style. I'm gonna need some more content because now I'm gonna be saving for my wheels. I'm also moving in the summer, so I'm saving for that. So I'm doing a lot of saving right now. So this might be my last mod until I get my wheels, which is whenever I get my my money for it. The wheels, I'm gonna keep a secret. I think I know the ones I'm going with. Pretty sure I know which ones I want. It's a wheel I've always been wanting to run, so I'm kind of excited that I'm getting to a point where I can run that. So yeah, if you guys can ask questions, I want to make another one of those answering your guys' questions videos, just to make some filler content until I get back to where I need with parts. I don't really want to have to do filler content. I really want to keep doing installs and reviews and stuff, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. This video is probably super short. It's unboxing and intake, and there's not really much to an intake. The coilovers had a little bit more. I had parts that I've never seen before in my life. This is just a couple pieces of plastic. Yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, do all of that shit. I'll catch you guys next time. Still trying to figure out something to say at the end of the video because I have nothing to ever say. TJ Hunt got the keep moving forward. You got Robbie Ferreira that says stay committed. I got peace, and you guys need to help me figure out something. I'll make sure to give you guys credit for whoever comes up with the best one. If you guys even watch the end of these videos, I don't think you guys do. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying to do a lot of car shows when it gets warmer because that'd be pretty dope. So I'm gonna leave you guys with the purejdm.live code TTR-BRZ. Get to do a little bit of money off your parts. This company has great customer service. If you guys need anything from them specifically, you can come to me. I'll contact them because we've been in contact a lot about parts. I've gotten them NASA parts on there that I didn't have before, so I can definitely help out with getting parts. Right now they have, I only go in the Subaru section for the BRZ because it's what I drive. But they also have WRX stuff, they have Honda stuff, they have Toyota stuff, they got good stuff. Yeah, so use code TTR-BRZ to get a discount. They're smaller, so help them out. They're also doing a coilover giveaway, so every time you purchase, you get entries to that. Every $1 spent is an entry. So make sure that you guys are buying stuff, get entered to win these coilovers. I'm not sure which coilovers they are. They have a picture of them. They look expensive. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Sorry, this one was really short and boring. Hopefully the next video I have is me installing the intake, which should be, I would think it's a better video. Do my review, do my sound clips. I want to try to do a little bit more videoing in the week. I want to go maybe twice a week instead of once a week like I've been doing now, just to get my videos out there to get more views and shit. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.